everybody, good evening, welcome to another super cool, super awesome and absolutely amazing and बहुत बड़ा धमाकेदार episode of the Biobomb 3. So welcome to my class, and in the next just 5 minutes, count it, just next 5 minutes, you will have one question for your AIIMS, NEET, JIPMER या what not, KVP पर शेवीपी पर सब हो जाएगा. बस अगले 5 मिनट ध्यान से बैठो और क्लास में ध्यान दो. So Biobomb जो कि एग्जामिनेशन में बॉम्ब बजा देगा is right here. Now in the part 3 of Biobomb I'm going to talk about allergy. ऐसा हम सबके साथ हुआ है. Allergy and swelling. So allergy is a hypersensitive reaction. Direct MCQ. Allergy क्या होता है? बॉडी का हाइपर, बॉडी ज्यादा सेंसिटिव होती है. इट इज अ हाइपर सेंसिटिव रिएक्शन. कई लोगों को धूल मिट्टी से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, कई लोगों को डस्ट, डॉग हेयर से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. बट द नेक्स्ट पर्सन, द मोमेंट द पर्सन गोज इनटू डस्ट, द मोमेंट द पर्सन गेट्स एक्सपोज्ड टू अ डॉग, so these people are hypersensitive, and allergy in medical sciences is referred to as a hypersensitive reaction. तो environment में कुछ allergens होते हैं जिनके खिलाफ हमारी body overtly sensitive हो जाती है, which is known as hypersensitive reaction. So animal dander is the fur of animals. किन्हीं के घर में cats and dogs, so all that fur. Dust, pollen. So allergen antigen that causes allergic reaction. Allergen वो antigen, it is that foreign substance which one enters the body causes hypersensitive allergic reaction. What all does it do? So the moment an allergen or a foreign substance जिसको हम एंटीजन भी कहते हैं enters our body, it can have IgE antibodies released. Direct MCQ question. It releases IgE. It also goes to cells which are called as mast cells, जिनको हम plasma cells भी कहते हैं. Now you need to throw this dust particle, dog hair, outside the body. तो इसको बाहर निकालने के लिए आंख में घुस गई dust. Immediately tears will fall down so that we can throw the dust particle outside. So the mast cells release histamine, which causes vasodilation. That means opening of the blood vessel. Blood vessel खुलेगा तो बाहर क्या निकलेगा? Fluid, which will cause this entire reaction. Is it clear? So allergen, hypersensitive, dog hair, cat hair, dust particles enters the body, stimulates IgE, stimulates plasma cell or mast cell. Plasma cell or mast cell release liquid to throw out the dust particles. Involves production of IgE, sometimes also called reagent, eosinophils. So mast cell, one MCQ, IgE another MCQ, third is eosinophils. तो अगर number of eosinophils increases, which is called as eosinophilia, it is because of increase in number of, you are right, increase in number of allergic substances. So I think that's about it. This is the allergen particle entering the body. It enters the lymphatic vessel. B cell बैठा है. B cell develop हो जाएगा plasma cell में. Plasma cell will produce a lot of histamine. We will try and push it out. We also will have eosinophils and IgE helping it. So there will be a lot of liquid. मुझे liquid चाहिए because I need to push the allergen outside. Liquid can be eyes, liquid can be hives, swelling, or liquid can be from the nose. So this is all about allergy in just 5 minutes, which will get you all MCQ questions. So allergy, hypersensitivity reaction, dust, dog hair, dander, IgE, eosinophils, plasma cell, fluid, throw the allergen out. See you in the next Biobomb. On behalf of my entire team, we wish you all the best for your exams, and we really appeal to you to like, share and subscribe our amazing channel.